no chip can accelerate everything, because if you can accelerate everything, it would just be the CPU again. And so you must be accelerating applications that are difficult, and you have to solve the problem with software. And that's why NVIDIA is a software and architecture chip company.
I think one thing is you need to understand yourself. What's your strength? What's your knowledge base? You utilize as a foundation when you choose the opportunity to do the transition. So don't jump into an opportunity that you don't know at all, right? So for example, for myself, I transitioned from engineer to sales marketing career, and later from sales marketing career to global supply chain management, procurement function. One thing I always leverage is my domain knowledge in semiconductor industry, specifically related to foundry.
Bridgetech is taking on the challenge of producing power in the data center. And we're not going to be successful without collaboration with OEMs, the ODMs, the IDMs, and power IC vendors. We just have to all work together to solve this problem.
Supermicro has all the design capabilities for the server, for the rack, for the liquid cooling. We do all sorts. We don't go to other people. We do everything in-house. We have vertically integrated capability. This again shortens product development, improves quality.
Well, that's right. Yeah, and I think supply chain localization is something you got to look at in a very complex and careful way, because the supply chain is so complex, from the tools to the software to the materials, that there's not a single country in the world that can go it alone. No one today can produce advanced chips on their own, and I don't think anyone is going to be able to do that anytime soon. And so it's really a question of more diversification rather than anyone becoming self-sufficient.
Smart and safe and secure, which are very important keywords. We see it in the car, and in the smart factory, and also in the home, as well as in the smart city application. These are some of the focus in the applications that we see. There are just huge opportunities, but not only about the smartness. Okay, so we also see the trend towards carbon decarbonization.
Meanwhile, also with the AI, we create a more interactive, we call it around the tool AIs, be able to help the designers to get to the semiconductor design much faster. Okay, and also we have particular flow created for people to design those accelerated silicons.
Absolutely. So Western Digital is a technology company. I think all of our products are based on technology. And with sustainability, we actually are going to be innovating through technology, continue to use our technology in a way that we can positively impact the environment.
Things we're doing, but just to give you a sense of impact, when we calculated the impact our products have on the globe, it's on the order of 100 million tons of CO2 reduction. And this is through making more efficient systems, more efficient devices. And I think as an overall community, that's something we should really be looking at.
Our own organizations. So achieving environmental sustainability, supply chain resilience, scaling up industrial technologies, securing the future of workforce, and finally linking business value and social value.
I think my presentation speaks to what we can do on a daily basis as semiconductor professionals, and the work that we do to effect a positive climate change solution. So, like for example, in our factories, how we optimize our processes, our water usage, our electricity use, we can definitely make a positive change, and we see the numbers, and that is very motivating and very powerful tool